left, x is 7.1. In the quadrilateral ACBD. Yeah, hello? Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the figure is ACBD. This is the quadrilateral given to you. In this, AC is equals to AD, it is given, and AB bisects the angle A. So this is the angle A, complete angle को AB bisect, it is bisecting. So angle A. So that is nothing but this angle is equals to this angle. So now here show the triangle. So what are the triangles? Two triangles asking to you to congruent to prove that. First you have to write that in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Here, if you want, you can write here. If you want, you can write ADB or ADB also you can write, ABD also you can write. But whenever you name the congruency of the triangle, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here, whenever congruency, whenever symbol you are using, here you are discussing about these two triangles. So whenever you are discussing about these two triangles, this triangle, you can name these triangles in any way. But here, whenever you use at last the congruency symbol, there you have to use the according to their corresponding sides only how to name it. Now in this triangle ABC, ABC triangle is nothing but this triangle here, see, this one. Is it visible to you? So in this triangle, the side AC is equals to ABD triangle में ABD triangle ये है, इसमें AD को equal है. So this is AD. This is given. You have to write given. Okay. And ABC triangle में this triangle है, ABC triangle. So what is that angle name? Angle CAB. Angle CAB is equals to angle DAB. So what is the reason? Reason compulsory you need to write. Reason compulsory you need to write. So what is the reason here? Given angle A. AB bisects angle A. AB bisects angle A. This is given to you. Okay. So these two things are given. Then in this ABC triangle में, इस ABC triangle में AB and इस ABD triangle में AB है, दोनों में AB है. So both are same because common side है. That side is common side. Both it is common. So now if you see that in the ABC triangle, in this ABC triangle, this side equal to this side in this triangle. Means AC AD को equal है, AB को equal है, angle A को equal है, angle A को equal. So that is nothing but two sides in included angle. These two sides and included angle are equal. So you can say that by SAS congruency, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. That is only asking to you. And what can you say about the BC and BD? So what can you say about this BC and BD? So what can you say about the BC and BD is the question. So what can you say by CPCT? What is the word meaning CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent
triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles.
Yes. Is it audible to you clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So ये already congruent हम लोग बोला है. इसका corresponding parts होता है. Corresponding parts बोलो तो? What is mean by its corresponding parts? Corresponding parts is nothing but maybe sides, maybe angles. So by CPCT you can say that BC is equals to BD. By the CPCT, still what can you say? Here the question is not asking. Can anyone say still by CPCP what the other two angles are equal? You can say. Can anyone say?
Angle CAB is equal to angle BAD.
PAB is equals to,
BAD.
already it is given.
Angle
It is
ACB
given.
equal to angle ADB.
Yes, very good.
Yes, sir.
ACB,
Yes,
this
sir. Yes,
angle
sir.
is equals to ADB. These two. Also, this angle also. Whenever if the question is asking instead of the BC equal to BD, there may be a chance of little bit. Myself, suppose मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, मैं थोड़ा सा चेंज करके पूछता हूँ, सेम एज इट इज नहीं पूछता हूँ. Isn't it? So I will change a little bit a क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा चेंज करता हूँ मैं. So चेंज करके क्या बोलता हूँ इधर, instead of BC equal to BD, I may ask you ACB is equals to AD. Is it audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Is my audio and video means what I am writing is coinciding? Coincide हो रहा है? थोड़ा लेट आ रहा है.
हाँ सर, लेट आ रहा है.
That's what I got.
Clear.
Clearly दिख तो रहा है ना?
हाँ सर, एकदम
हाँ.
क्लियर दिख रहा है.
Okay,
Clearly
okay,
visible.
okay, don't worry. So now this problem you understood and you can go through this one. And the second one, if you see that second problem, so all the problems will be mostly like this only. It is not very difficult to you. Problems, some figures are given to you a little bit in a clumsy way, and you may feel little bit difficult, but it is not difficult. All the second and third, I think so, is simple problems. Simple problems I am leaving you as a homework. And if you have a doubt, you can ask me afterwards. Please here, if you are not able to, in case if you are not able to identify it, draw the figures separately. Suppose second problem है, ये second problem है. इसमें ये figure ऐसा दे दिया है. This is a figure given to you. A, B, C, D. And the triangles, one of the triangles is asking ABD triangle, one triangle, and BAC triangle, one triangle. So ABD triangle is nothing but ABD, ये है triangle. If you getting confused, you draw the triangle separately side में. Oh, ये ABD है. देखो ये throw the figure, I will explain to you. ये दोनों join हो गया है. BAC triangle is nothing but this triangle. See, I'm going to draw the triangles with the other colors. With the red color, I am drawing one triangle. With the blue color, I am drawing the another triangle. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
In this,
Sir, it
what
is
is
clear.
in this, what is given? AD is equals to BC given to you. I am not writing the steps here, just explaining this one. AD is equals to BC given. So ये ABC triangle में है, ये ABD triangle में है. Sir, BAC triangle बोलना है ना? BAC whenever you are writing congruency, you can say BAC. But normally, whenever you are pronouncing ABC, you can say. Whenever normally you are pronouncing, you can say ABC. Okay? Is it clear? So now here this
sir.
is given. Angle DAB, angle DAB. So in the blue color, this one, angle DAB. And angle CBA. CBA is red color triangle में this angle. So if you separate them, this one. So these are things, and this side is common to you. AB is common here. Here also, this is a common side, green color. So common side here. Again, SAS congruency. By the SAS congruency, you can say that ABD triangle is good. But here, do remember that whenever you write the triangle ABD congruency to triangle, how do you write? Oh, इधर AB है, compulsory इधर भी AB आना है ना, या तो B आना है. Suppose if you write AB, because AB equal to AB है ना, the another name, what is the triangle? C होना है. But ABC, whenever you write AB equal to AB सही है, but here in this triangle ABD triangle, ABD triangle में, this ABD triangle में, BD if you take into consider, sorry, BD not, AD if you take into consider this one, एंड AC को इक्वल होना है, बट AC को इक्वल नहीं है, सो ये गलत है, ये गलत है. So BAC you have to write. So main thing is that how do you write the congruency of the triangles is very much important. And third problem also you can do it. Fourth also you can do it. I am going for the fifth problem. Fifth problem explain कर रहा हूँ. Third problem में what is given here? AD and BC are equal perpendicular to the line AB. AB line को perpendicular बोला है. So perpendicular is nothing but automatically 90 degrees it is given to you. So whenever you
Sir.
see the, just I am giving.
Sorry, what you are writing it is not coming in the screen, sir.
I am not writing anything. Just I am saying now. Just now I am writing. Number 3 is visible.
Yes, sir.
See here, like this AB side is given to you. This is AB, and here it is given to you like this. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This side is equals to this side. It is given to you. These are the CD bisects AB segment. So this is CD. This CD is bisecting AB. AB को bisect करते हैं. So that is nothing but this is equals to this one indirectly. Now you can say that. Can anyone say, man, here 90 degrees whenever it is given, most of the students will consider that the RHS congruency. Here the most of the students will consider that it is RHS congruency, but it is not RHS congruency. Here it is given that 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and one this side, and this side. So SAS only. Here that angle is 90 degrees given. RHS use करना है तो hypotenuse equal देना है. Hypotenuse is nothing but here it should be given that this side is equal to this side anywhere, but it is not given. So you cannot consider RHS. RHS congruency whenever you are using. Hypotenuse should be given in any way. Okay, hypotenuse should be given equal. So next, let us go to the fourth problem here. Okay. So fourth one, what is given here? L and M are the parallel lines given to you here, like this parallel lines L and M. This is L and M, and P and Q are another pair of parallel lines. Here it is given to you. So actually this representation, whatever I wrote, it is wrong Q. Why? Capital letter should not be written. Whenever you name the line with a single letter, small letters to be used. L and M are parallel lines intersected by another pair of the lines P and Q. Show the triangle ABC. So the points are given to you here A, B, C, D, and AC is coming. So ABC and CDA. This ABC and CDA. These are congruent triangles you need to prove. So here, what congruency can be used in this problem? I am not writing all the steps here, just giving the figure explanation. Figures through the figure, because these problems you have to do as a homework originally, normally whenever you see that. But I am giving the explanations and I am leaving to you, and you can do it as a homework. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
बीच में कुछ बोलते जाओ, because whether you are there or you left the meeting, I am not able to understand. I am very confused here because is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
So now here, what congruency can be used here?
A has a congruency.
A is here. Here
Yes,
you
sir.
can use the A congruency you are saying, and I am saying to you, you can use the SAS also, because these are parallel lines given. This is parallel to this one. This is parallel to this one. Then this becomes ABCD parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. This is equals to this one. This is equals to this one, and opposite angles are equal. SAS. SAS you can use in this problem.
Yes, sir.
SSS also you can use. Whenever SSS used, this side equal to this side, this side equal to this side, and this AC is common. AC is common. Okay? So SSS in that case. So problem can be given to you. What the problem is given to you, that can be solved. But here, whenever you take here ASA, she said ASA also you can use, because this angle equal to this angle you use. It is parallel lines. This angle equal to this angle, you may say that. This angles, so whenever you use these two are parallel, these two parallel lines to be taken into consider, and this is a transversal. These two are, I am going to draw with the other colors, these two parallel lines, and this is a transversal. Then these two becomes alternate angles. You are not supposed to take these two parallel lines. If you take these two parallel lines, these two are also parallel. And if you take like that, then the angles. So here this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, and one side equal to one side. So even you can use SSS congruency, you can use ASA congruency, you can use SSS congruency in this problem. So any congruency you use, then it is right only. Okay? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Now the fifth problem you see here. So this L is a bisector of the angle A, and B is any point on L, and BP and BQ are perpendicular from the B. So here the question is given to you that angle A is given to you like this. This is angle A. So here one line is drawn. Let us draw the line also in a proper way. So this line is what is given here, and from here points are taken here. Here the point is B is taken, and here from the B point perpendicular lines are drawn. This is line perpendicular, here the line is perpendicular. So perpendicular is nothing but here 90 degrees, here 90 degrees, here 90 degrees it is given. Sorry. Here 90 degrees it is given. And this line name is given to you as here L. And it is given that bisector. Bisector is nothing but this angle equal to this angle. So now here, these points are here P and here it is Q. Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now here, whenever you take into consider this one, what congruency can be used here? Can anyone say? Here I am going to explain to you this problem. Don't worry. With the steps completed.
Sir, angle, side. Angle, side.
Yes, angle, side. That's all. So this problem I am going to explain to you again with the proper steps. Okay. So what the triangles are taken into consider? Right. Triangle APB and the triangle AQB. APB and AQB. These two triangles are given to you. In this APB triangle, this triangle, okay, this triangle, okay, APB triangle. In this one angle, if you are taking into consider, I am taking angle BPA, okay, this one, BPA, this one here, this angle, okay. So angle BPA is equals to angle BQA. In this triangle BPA, in this triangle BQA, equal. Okay? In this triangle APB में BQA and AQB में BQA. So these two are equal. So why they are equal? The reason is this symbol. What is this symbol? Na reason whenever you are writing in the brackets, therefore का reverse होता है. वो symbol को since बोलते हैं. Whenever you use the symbol this one, reason whenever you are giving the reason, then you have to use this symbol. Angle BPA is equals to angle BQA. So why? The reason is
So
Sir.
both the angles are perpendicular, means 90 degree.
Sir,
yes,
this symbol is
it is given only actually. You can consider given, but if you can consider this reason you can write, or you can write the B is BP and BQ are perpendicular from B. In the question it is given. You see the question. While explaining, all of you keep your mobile and textbook in front of you. Both you keep in front of you so that only you can understand. Because I am not able to here present both the things here. Okay? समझ में आया? Hello?
sir.
Is it audible to you? Ah, yes.
Sir, that symbol is also known as that is.
What better? That is not. The symbol is known
Yes,
as a since. Reason, since, because. Actually, since this is known as a since. We use that for the since. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now it is given, you can write, or you can write in the textbook whatever the question it is given to you, that you can write reason. Okay, exactly, you can write that reason also. And next thing is that angle QAB is equals to angle QAB is equals to angle PAB. Is it right? Is this step right? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Angle QAB is angle. Okay? Angle QAB is nothing but this one. Okay? Angle PAB is nothing but this one. Okay? These two are equal. But whenever you write this one, little bit wrong this one, the step. Because this side whenever you take, this side A triangle का related parts लिखना है. But ये QAB इसका part है. AQB का part है. Did you get my point here? So that's why better you write first in this whatever the angle is there that you write. APB में whatever the angle is there PAB. So first better you write PAB is equals to angle QAB. The reason is what here? L is angle bisector of angle A. L is angle bisector of angle A. And in the both AB is common. This is common. Is it audible to you? Therefore, anyone please give the reply, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is audible.
Yes, sir, audible, sir.
Okay, okay. By what? Here two angles on one side. SAS congruency, or you can write SAS congruency by SAS criteria. Anyone you can write. Triangle APB is congruent to triangle APB, triangle AQB. So that is only the first part asking. And BP and BQ are equal पूछ रहे. Yes, by CPCT, what you can write here? BP equal to BQ. BP is equals to BQ. Now the next question is,
Sir.
B is distant from the arms of angle A. Yes.
Sir, can we write the congruency as by AA as congruence rule?
Yes. Here you can write S also. Both if you write, it is right only. Because actually here you are thinking that, sir, ये side इधर है. So angle वो दोनों का angle का बीच वाला it is not given to you equal. Okay, whatever you are saying, it is right. But see here, automatically, whenever you use AAS or AASA, both are right only. It doesn't matter. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Next. Now let us go to the sixth problem. 6, 7, 8 problems. The problems are here. It is given to you little bit in a clumsy way. Figure is given to you in a clumsy way, but it is not very difficult. But you feel it is as a difficult. You feel this one as a difficult, but not more difficult. Okay? So now whenever you take this one into the consideration, figure, let me draw the figure here. It is given to you. What the figure is given to you. Okay? So
Sir, you are not audible to me.
I'm not saying anything, just I'm drawing. First let me draw the
Oh,
figure.
sir. Okay.
Good. Now here, these things are given to you. This is a figure given to you. In this, what are the things given to you? This side is AB side is equal to AD side given, and AC side is equal to AE side is given, and angle BAD is equals to angle CAE is given. Okay, so now here two triangles. Here it is not asking you to prove the triangles are equal. Triangles are equal, not triangles are congruent. It is not asking that AC is equals to AE is given. Okay, and AB is equals to AD is given. Angle BAD is equals to angle EAC is given. Angle BAD is equals to angle EAC is given. Now asking to you to prove BC is equals to DE. So whenever it is asking, so what is asking to you to prove here? This BC is equals to DE. This DE. So now what you have to consider, first thing is the consideration of the triangles. The triangles in which BC has a one side and DE has a, another triangle with a DE as another side you have to consider. So what are the triangles actually? Whenever you see that, I am going to draw the triangles with the red color. One triangle. You take this triangle ABC, one triangle. Okay. The another triangle you take ADE. Why I am taking these two triangles into the consideration? With the red color triangle, wherever I have drawn, okay, so wherever the red color triangle, wherever I have drawn, there the BC side is there, and the blue color triangle, wherever I have drawn, there DE side is there. And here that two triangles whenever you take. So in triangle A, B, C triangle, red color, and triangle ABC, ADE. These two triangles to be considered. You may get doubt, sir, why do you take these triangles only? मेरा आपको ABD दिख रहा है, ACE दिख रहा है. कुछ ये फिगर में क्या होता है ना, इस फिगर में कुछ लोगों को आंखों को for the some people perception, they are going to see ABD triangle one triangle and ACE triangle one triangle you are going to. Okay, both the triangles are possible, but from the triangles possibility is there, but can you prove the two triangles congruent? No. And if you prove the two triangles congruent, you cannot prove the required proof here. So here ABC triangle, whenever you take, in this ABC triangle, may AB is equals to In ADE triangle में AD. Is it audible to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, AD. So this is given. All are given only in this. In ABC triangle, AD. ABC में AD किधर होता है? नहीं होता है. ABC triangle में ABC में AC is equals to A. This is also given. And angle BAD you are not supposed to write because BAD angle is not in ABC. ABC triangle में BAD है, directly not there. The triangle is not given to you directly. So here what to do here? Angles, whenever these two angles are given to you, given that angle BAD is equals to EAC. Okay, given angle BAD is equals to angle EAC. So for both the triangles, this is the one part you can consider, this is second part you consider in these two triangles. Third one is directly not given because BAD angle is not there in this triangle. So ये दोनों को I am adding there and this angle, extra angle, this part. What is that part? DAC. So both sides I will add DAC. Here also I will add angle DAC. So what is this becomes? DAC. Angle BAC is equals to EAC plus DAC. What it becomes? DAE होगा. Angle DAE. So this is third one. See here, these two sides are equal. This side is equal. This side angle. So you can write here by SAS from 1 to 3. From 1 to 3 by SAS criteria. Here in all the problems, angles are given to you directly equal, but here directly equal not given. One part should be added, extra part should be added. That part I am adding here DAC add करता हूँ. So by the SAS criteria, triangle. What the triangle to be taken into consider here? BAC. BAC is congruent to BA equal to what here? DAE. Is it right or wrong? You have to check it. Because angle BAE, angle DAE equal. BAE, DAE equal. BA equal to DA. BA equal to DA. Yes, DA. सही है ना? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So next thing what you have to see in this AC given here AC equal to AE. AC equal to AE. सही है. So triangle BAC equal to triangle DAE. Now from this you can say that first and last part you take BC, here DE. So by CP/CT, in the next step I will write here, by CP/CT, BC is equals to, what is BC equal to? BC is equals to DE. BC is equals to D. This is the principle. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt if you are having in this step, in this problem, I am showing to you again, you can ask. No? Okay. Let us go for the seventh problem. The seventh and eighth problems, just I will explain to you and leave it to you. You can do it as a homework. So see, the figure is given to you here, like this is the figure. Through the figure I will explain to you. I am not going to give you the steps here for this problem. So what are the things are given to you that you take into consider here? One side is given to you AB, like this. And another triangle is drawn like this. And another triangle is drawn like this. Okay, and here this angle, let us name these points A, B, P, E, and D. Okay, so now this angle is given to you. Okay, double you are not supposed to draw. this angle is equals to this one, it is given, and this angle is equals to this angle is given. So these two as a part of the angles, what are the things are there, and what is asking to you to prove DAP. DAP. See, DAP. In this, I am going to show it to you with the one color, separate color. DAP. This triangle, EBP triangle. EBP triangle. Okay? And these two triangles to be taken into consider. We should prove these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are congruent. To prove the two triangles congruent, okay? So here in that one angle are already equal given to you. And here whenever you take into consider, in both, is there any common side is there? And another point is given to you. P is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint. So P is the midpoint is nothing but this side is equals to this side. P is the midpoint of AB. Now whenever you take into consider, here also first only it is given that BPD. ये BPD को ये ऐड करो, ये पर्पल कलर वाला एंगल मैं दिखा रहा हूँ ना, उसको ऐड करो. And APB angle है ना, for this APB angle, APE angle, APE को भी ये ऐड, APE is equals to angle APE is equals to angle BPD is given to you. Textbook में APE place में EPA given, both are same only. For this I am adding this part, ये purple color angle part, इसको मैंने angle APE plus angle EPD. So whenever you add that part, here also BP, in the previous problem ki jaisa, just EPD angle you need to add. So whenever you add this one, APE plus APE, EPD will become APD. APD आएगा, ये पूरा angle होगा, ये पूरा. So now if you see that this angle equal to this angle you are getting. Red color triangle में ये है, blue color triangle में ये, and red color triangle में ये angle, blue color triangle में ये angle, red color triangle में ये side. So by ASA congruency, you can say that the two triangles are congruent. After the congruency, next part is just you have to. After the congruency, just next part is CPCT. By the CPCT, you can prove that the two triangles are. The two parts are equal.